Hello guys, in this video we will be looking at best way to trade spikes in boom and crash, and there are a lot of things we will be checking out in this video so that we will know how to go about it. Okay guys, these are some of the things we will be checking out in this video, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you do your own practice. Okay, you need to understand how the strategies work, and of course do your own practice to know how to go about it. You need to practice and practice and practice until you are able to perfect your trading skill before you start trying them out on your real account. This is very important, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, guys. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out best way to trade spikes in boom and crash. Spikes trading is a unique trading strategy that you need to understand how it works. Okay, so one of the ways to, one of the things to put into consideration while trading spikes, and which is very important, is the trend. Okay, the trend is very important. Once you understand the right trend to go into it, then definitely you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, and of course, apart from the trend, you need to consider your support and resistance zone. Okay, your support and resistance zone will let you know when to go in and when to exit the market. Okay, and this will also depend on the exact assets you are trading. You know, you can only trade either boom and crash. Okay, you can only trade spikes in either boom or crash. Okay, so all these are very important. Okay, so once you know this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. So let me quickly explain that to you. Okay, I'm going to split this into two right here. Okay, so for support zone, where you can only trade boom from support zone. Okay, if you are trading spikes, okay, if you are trading spikes, okay, the boom, this is for boom. Okay, this is for boom, while for resistance zone it's going to be crash. Okay, for resistance zone it's going to be crash. Okay, this is very important. So once you understand this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Then thereafter, the next thing you should put into consideration is your lot size. Okay, your lot size is very important. The reason is while trading spikes, your lot size will determine your lot size. Your lot size will determine if the markets will go in your favor easily or not. Okay, the reason is while trading spikes, when you place your pending order, it might not go into blue immediately because you are expecting that spikes to happen. Okay, sometimes you will be lucky, sometimes you won't be lucky. It will go in into reds for a while before spiking out. Okay, so this is very important. Then there is one more thing I need to let you know, guys. There is one more thing I need to let you know. Okay, so if you are in the right trend, for instance, if you are in the right trend to trade boom, which is the downtrend, then definitely all the support zones are very important. But if you are in the wrong trend, if you are placing your pending order on the support zone, you can be trapped in the market for a very long time. The same thing is applicable to crash also. If you are in the right trend, probably you are on if you are in the right trend, let's say you are on downtrend. For boom, you need to be on uptrend. Okay, for crash you need to be on downtrend. Okay, if you're on downtrend, all the resistance zones are very important. Okay, so that way you can make a lot of profit that way than you losing out of there. Okay, so that is very important. Then your breakout is also very important. Breakout is also very important. When you are having breakouts from a support zone or resistance zone, that can also give you the opportunity to make money from this spiky trade. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into the chart. Let's see how it works. Okay, this is crash 1000, and of course I'm going to be analyzing from 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame, and just the way you have seen it right from here, here is a resistance zone. Okay, like I said, your resistance zone is always important. So right here is a resistance zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. Then you should know that this will go into crash, okay, to keep on spiking or crashing down right from here. Okay, you can see all you just need to do, once it is unable to break out from this support zone, from this resistance zone, you allow it to break out from this support zone, and of course you place your order right from here, and it starts crashing right from there. You can see it, it kept on crashing from this region downward to this region. Okay, and it will still keep on crashing until it gets to this region. Okay, to this region, this is where the crashes will stop, and of course if it breaks out, it can pull back a bit from here and try it again. Once it breaks out below here, then definitely it will get to this region. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, the first phase of it is around here, and it has just broken out from there, which is this. Okay, this is the first phase, and it has just broken out from there. So that is very, very important. So when you are trading spike, all you just need to do, for instance, this is crash 1000, make sure you are in the right trend. You can see right here is when the market is on downtrend, and it must come from the resistance zone, and right here is where we have our resistance zone, and that means it is coming from the resistance zone. So once you place your pending order right here, you will just be in profit right from here down till it gets to this region. Okay, and you can introduce your stop loss in order to bridge out a kind of margin for yourself, a profit margin for yourself, locked up right from there. And that is one amazing way to go about this. Okay, I know some of you might find this very difficult for you to come about, for you to analyze, but in case you don't know how far, how far the distance between this place and this is, let's move down to 5-minute time frame so that you get to see how much profit you would have made right from there. Okay, so I'm going to take off the arrows so that you're going to have a better look at what we're talking about. You can see this should be your entry point. Okay, pick it up, guys. This should be your entry point, just the way you are seeing it right here. You can see it right from here. So this is going to be your entry point, and you can see it kept on crashing down and down and down. This will have given you a lot of profit right from here. Okay, guys, so and this is how beautiful this is. Okay, so in case you don't know how to do your analysis or how to mark out some of these things, okay, you can easily make use of these. Okay, these will have solved all the problem. Okay, all you just need to do is just to make sure you're coming from the resistance zone. This is the resistance zone at the top right here. You can see this is the same chart we saw earlier on, just that this is more colorful because of the trading tool I'm having on it, which makes it very easy to do your analysis. It has cut across all the analysis that you might be trying to do on a plain chart. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so all the learning curves have been reduced right from here. So all you just need to do is just to follow the simple process. Okay, right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and of course it didn't go into downtrend immediately because anything could have happened around there. And of course you can see when it got here, it spiked up a bit, even though it has given us a self signal and of course a red flag, but it spiked up a bit but still went down again. You can see it kept on selling and selling and selling. So far you have the red flag and you've seen your red arrow, and it is coming from a resistance zone. All you just need to do is just to come over here and place your order. Okay, you place your order. You can see, let's say it has spiked already before you place your order, and of course you just put it somewhere here. It got to this region, went back up, went above it, and started spiking, spiked till it got to this region, pulled back a bit, and still spiked and spiked. You can see it has gotten to this region, pulled back, played around there for a while, almost got back to your entry point, and of course it kept on spiking thereafter. And you can see this will have given you more profit right from there. Okay, you are having more confidence to hold on to the trade because you are coming from the tip of the resistance zone, and it will have given you a lot of profit till it's got to this support zone. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about you knowing when to go into the markets to trade the spikes. Okay, once you understand this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time. So the first thing you should understand is the right trend to trade the spike on the assets you want to trade, and of course know your support and resistance zone. And of course you should know that if you are trading the spikes on crash, it should come from the resistance zones. Okay, and if you are trading the spikes for boom, it should come from the support zone. That is very, very important. Once you understand that, then use a reasonable lot size. Okay, when you use a reasonable lot size, then that way you will be able to control the little red you will be seeing before it will start going into blues. Okay, so that is very, very important. You know, as soon as it starts spiking, that is when you start seeing the blues. Once it goes across your entry point, then you start seeing blues right from there. Okay, so that is one beautiful way to go about it. So with the trading tools, with these 3M train Milka trading tools, it makes it very easy for you to do your spiky trade without any hiccups. Okay, so that is how to go about it. This is very easy to do. All you just need to do is just to follow the instructions which I have highlighted in this video, and you will be able to make a lot of profit for yourself right from there. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you have any question at all, you can just drop your questions in the comment section. And of course guys, if you want a personal conversation, probably you want to ask a personal question, maybe you want to know more about the trading tool 3M Train Milka trading indicator, then you can send message to me directly on my WhatsApp. Okay, you're going to see my contact details, my WhatsApp details in the description box below this video. So that is very easy for you to pick up and chat up with me. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.